I'm going to show you why it was freezing cold in the breezeway the last 3 Sundays. That's the motor that burnt out of our heating unit in the breezeway. I purchased a new motor. That's the unit where the motor goes. I'm going to tell you why the heating company, Sprague, didn't want to do the job. It's a very confined space. Lots of spiders and things crawling around. So I decided to do the job myself. That's where the motor came out of, right there. This is the fan that the motor turns. As you can see, it spins freely. No problems with that part. That's the new motor installed, spinning and making heat once again. That's the new motor. And we should be alright for the next 25 years, hopefully. Those are the fans that push the heat up into the breezeway.